Ms Gia's class. So this is your third video for Friday, March 20th, and it's going to be a combination of PD and show and tell. So the first thing we're going to do is talk a little bit about your show and tell. Now, this is kind of a really cool experience because everyone gets to do show and tell at once. That means that you all make videos about something that's really important to your family. That's our theme for the week. An object that's important in my family. And then you're going to make a little video about yourself, talking about the object, showing it to us, giving us a tour. And then you're also going to write down 5 sentences. Now, these sentences can be sentences that you say in your video, or they can be other information that you think I should know, stuff that you think is important. Okay? So, what you need to send to me this weekend is a video of your show and tell and your 5 sentences. You can ask a grown-up or an older brother or sister for help with the video, and you can get some help too with your sentences, of course. Don't worry about spelling, try the best that you can, but what I care about is all that cool information that you're going to tell me. And then the fun part is I get to watch all these videos. And maybe in the future I will get to make a collection of show and tell videos, and then we can all watch them together. That way you can see everybody else's family objects, favorite toys, whatever the theme is for that week. So, that's our show and tell plan. Now, the other thing is that I want to do show and tell too. But I don't really have an important family object here. I left all my really important stuff at my parents' house in the United States because I didn't want it to break when I was traveling or to lose it on the airplane. So, unfortunately, I don't have an object to show you. But I remember when I was giving you guys an example of show and tell last week that I told you I can play an instrument. Do you remember what instrument I can play? Yeah, I can play the guitar. Now, I don't have a guitar here, but I did get this ukulele from school. And a ukulele is kind of like a guitar, except that it only has 4 strings instead of 6. A guitar has 6 strings. A guitar is also bigger, it's longer, whereas a ukulele is very tiny. In fact, it's almost very difficult to play because you have to put your fingers in very specific locations, and my hands are big, so it makes it difficult to play the ukulele. But one of my goals for this time that we are not in school and I'm in my apartment is to learn how to play the ukulele. So I looked up a song that's really important to my family, and I learned the chords, which is what you call when you put your fingers in certain positions. Those are chords. And I'm going to play this song for you. Obviously, I just learned it today, so it's not going to be perfect. But the important thing is I'm going to try. I'm going to try really hard. So, let's see. If you guys know this song, you can sing along with me. And the second verse, or the second part of the song, I'm going to change the lyrics, something special for Ms Gia's class. Now, this is a song that my mom would always sing when I was little, and that's why I want to share it with you guys, since we're talking about family. Are you ready? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Ms Gia misses her year 2 students. It's very strange to not go to school. She hopes they're happy and doing homework, and she knows she will see them soon. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Well, I hope you guys liked my version of that song. I wanted to share it with you because, like I said, my mom would sing that to me when I was little, and it's kind of an important thing that's not an object. It's a song that I can take with me wherever I go. So, for show and tell, I want to see your videos. What objects are important to your family? What are their stories? What's something that you think of when you think of your family? Something in your house. And I want you to write those 5 sentences. Make sure that they're full sentences using the capital letter and a full stop at the end. And make sure that you don't worry about spelling. You try your hardest, but don't stress about the spelling. Send me those videos, send me those sentences, and then I'll get to watch all of them, and that will be really, really fun for me. Now, in PD, we were talking a little bit about feelings. Remember, we colored in all those faces, depending on what do you look like when you're scared, what do you look like when you're happy, when you're disgusted. Bleh, disgusting. So what I'd like you guys to do is draw some faces for how you're feeling right now in this situation. We're not going to school, we can't really go outside a lot, we can't really see our friends or other family. So why don't you guys draw me some faces and send me pictures of those faces of how you're feeling. One big thing that changed for me is my schedule. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have to wake up early anymore, which is kind of fun. I can sleep in. I stay in my apartment, which, yeah, it can get a little boring, but I'm doing a lot of fun activities like learning ukulele, and I'm also sewing. I'm doing some sewing projects. So let's see each other in the next video where I show you some sewing projects, and maybe with the help of a grown-up, you can also do some projects like that. So look for video number 2 from our PD and Show and Tell series. See you soon!